We are going to start a new module today, Module 2, Alternative Sources of Energy. And what we are going to talk about this week and next week and the week after is different ways to make electricity not burning fossil fuels, because burning fossil fuels puts pollution in the air. So we're going to do a nice big old project. We put that together. Let's just quickly go through what we're going to talk about today. We're going to quickly just discuss the different types of energy that are out there. And then there's a very good California Academy of Science that talks about buses in England that are running off of poop. So they're using poop as their fuel. Actually, they're using bacteria that eat the poop as their fuel, and it's literally part of their plans. It's been going on in England for several years. So the directions for that will be in Canvas. You can go and check in Canvas for that right now if you want to. Here's a bunch of reminders. Einstein's now late. The Growing Plants Gizmos due on Monday. We did it in class together. Don't forget about the quiz. And then all these other reminders are out there. Don't forget you were supposed to do the check-in on Friday, your first attempt at least. And you still have a second attempt if you haven't used it yet before the due date. Those grades will start transferring over this afternoon. I'm going to grade Einstein this afternoon. So make sure that you take your time working through your calendar and knowing what we have to do. Let's start a new module today.